So it's March 19th, and some of you have asked if we were ever going to seal the stones that we had cut for the hearth. And we were. We just wanted to make sure that everybody was done playing around it. So everything's pretty much done with it. So now we're going to seal it. What I'm going to use is just your basic concrete sealer. This will offset it a little bit because it'll look a little bit darker, which I think is going to look good because there are some darker colored stones in the fireplace itself, so I think it'll bring out like some of that really dark. All right, so I started in the back corner just in case I royally screwed up, and it's looking pretty good. I forgot that stuff is like water putting on, so I'm using a sponge. I know you're supposed to spray it on, but I mean I can't spray it in here. It would make a mess. And I did not etch the stone before. I keep working. I know when it dries, it'll probably dry lighter, but even if it stays that dark, I think that'll be really cool. So I'm just using, it's a little brush, roller foam brush thing. Whoa. See, that's why I got that plastic on the floor there. And I'm just putting the lightest coat possible on it. And like I said, it gets pretty drippy. So I was using the roller. I don't know, maybe that wasn't the best idea. But now I'm just going to use the sponge brush. I'm trying to put as light of coat on as possible because I know it's already thicker than if you would spray it. But so far I think it's doing okay. That's the other side of it. Alright, so the first coat is on. Went on pretty easy. It's going to dry the same color it was, which is fine with me. It's a little bit drier right there because of the fireplace. But you can see it's starting to dry a little bit. But now you can see the different grains in the rock. Well, it's about 3 hours after the first coat got put on, and I like it. I mean, I can definitely tell it's darker, which I was fine with that. I am going to put a second coat on. Probably doesn't need it, but while I got it, and there's no dust in the house right now, so I'm going to take advantage of it. All right, well, it's about 2 hours now, and the second coat is on, and it's dry, and I like the way it looks. It did end up a little bit darker, which is fine with me. So it is sealed. I don't have to worry about anybody spilling something on it and having it soak in. Should last us for quite a while.